Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the SYSKA UltraGroom Pro Styling Kit. There is quite a bit of information on the box. We're going to skip all of that and take a look inside. Let's open it up. Let's pull this tray out, and there you go. All the items in the box are snugly fitted in the tray itself. Very convenient. On the right we have 4 extra trimmers, which are the nose hair trimmer, the foil shaver head, the precision trimmer, and the 3-length body hair trimmer. Let's see what else is there. This is the power adapter for the machine, quite standard. There's a tiny bottle which contains what we believe is some kind of grooming fluid. There's also an actual black comb. That's quite nice. Of course, there's also a very small brush used for cleaning the blades and the different heads. Now let's take a look at the trimmer itself. This is a very top-heavy design. This very large dial at the back is what is used to control the length settings. You can take the attached comb off just by pulling them from the sides like this. You can now see the UltraGroom logo along with the power button. You will notice the LED indicator when you power it on. Let's keep the device here and see what else is there. It would seem that there is a charging dock. Yes, here it is. It was under the plastic tray. This is indeed the charging dock, as it comes with a charging port at the back. All in all, this is quite an elaborate charging dock designed to hold all the components of the trimmer in one place. Now that is a great touch. Finally, there is a user manual, a warranty card, and a black carrying pouch for the trimmer. That is all you will find inside this box. Thank you for watching.